Hello, and welcome to a video on how to change the temperature unit of your Coriolis device. So your first step is to press the down arrow until you see the word Configuration on your screen. Then you can press E and you will be prompted for a password. The stock password for all Coriolis devices is all zeros, so you can just press E to confirm the current password. Now you should be looking at the configuration menu, so you should see the words Flow Configuration on your screen. Next, you can press the down arrow until you see the words Unit Configuration on your screen. Now press E to enter this submenu. Now that you are in the submenu, you can press the down arrow until you see Temperature Unit on your screen. Pressing E will allow you to start changing the temperature unit parameter. For your temperature unit parameter, you can switch between Fahrenheit or Celsius. One of the two options should be flashing on your screen, so you can press the down arrow to move the flashing value to your desired temperature format. Now you can press E and the device will prompt you to confirm your changes. Once again, you may press the down or left arrow to change the flashing value to Y, and then press E to confirm your changes. Having confirmed the changes, the device will take you back to the temperature unit parameter screen, where you can see the updated temperature unit. This concludes this video on changing the temperature unit parameter of your Coriolis device. We appreciate your patronage and hope to speak with you soon. If you still have any questions, feel free to contact us at the following.